Hey everyone! If you want to synchronize files between your Windows computer and other devices without relying on traditional cloud storage services, Syncthing is an excellent solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Syncthing on Windows from start to finish in 2026. First, download and install Syncthing on your Windows computer. After installation, launch Syncthing and allow it to start its background service. The first time Syncthing runs, it will usually open the web-based management interface automatically in your default browser. If the dashboard doesn't open automatically, you can access it manually using the local web address provided by Syncthing. The web interface is where you'll manage devices, folders, synchronization settings, security options, and system status. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout before proceeding. Next, locate your device ID. Every Syncthing installation generates a unique device ID used to securely identify and connect devices. Syncthing will begin scanning files and transferring data automatically. And that's how to use Syncthing on Windows in 2026. With secure peer-to-peer synchronization and automatic file updates, Syncthing provides a powerful way to keep your files available across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.